Good day, everyone. This is Vincent Tan speaking. This time, I'm going to talk about Toso Mini Split, the multi-zone introduction. Meanwhile, I also provide the corresponding video linkages at the below description area just for your reference. This sharing divides into these 5 parts. Moreover, I provide the corrected subtitle just for your better understanding. Don't forget to turn it on if you need. Installation. For the outdoor unit installation, first you need to find out where to install this outdoor unit. The location should be consider the noise and also the airflow should not be affect the neighbors. Besides, you also need to guarantee you should have sufficient ventilation and the base should be strong enough to support this outdoor unit if you install at the ground. And also, the last is to avoid the sunshine and strong wind. Also, consider the outdoor unit will drain the water. So for the drainage, if you need, then you need to plug this drain pump and also use this drain connector to connect to a hose for the water drainage from the outdoor unit if you need. If you would like to install on the floor, you need to select the wall should be strong enough. I show you this 3 kind of the wall. Which one is acceptable? Do you know? The answer is only the concrete or the brick wall is okay. For the other two, just consider the vibration from the outdoor unit and also the noise. If you like to avoid the after sales troubles, so please not select these two, only select this. For the wirings is also very easy. Our only require is guarantee the piping sequence, which is this ABCD, the same as the indoor unit, here the terminal sequence. However, on the actual installation is not that easy, and in this example you have this ABCD indoor unit, and also you need to do the piping from the indoor unit to the outdoor unit ABCD, and also to do the wiring. And here is a question that how you can guarantee the wires and the piping they belong to one set. Why cannot be this indoor unit A? If you connect to the indoor unit B terminal, it will be a disaster or cause loss of the malfunctions. How can you identify or to guarantee? Is there any measures? Okay, I will offer you a know-how, which is indoor unit piping and wiring is done just like this one before connect to the outdoor unit, and then use this multimeter to use this conductivity text, which is to connect the earthing wire to the copper tube. If you find there is a bit noise sound, that means they belong to the one set. If there's no noise comes out, that means they are not belong to the one. Okay. Here is a complaint from the end customer, which is the video.
Hey, William, can you see the major condensation problem with my heat pump in my master bedroom? I haven't even turned it on, and it was just like this when it was turned off, and the condensation accumulated. Please ask Lucky to come and check what's going on. Please get it fixed if you can, and please contact me. Thank you.
So you can find that there are lots of the condensation on the panel and also the louver, and also you hear the keyword. This unit, this indoor unit is turning off, but still there are lots of the condensation comes out. So just use your wisdom why and how to fix it. Okay. As for the piping length and the height job requirements, we had different restrictions. Also, for this example, in this diagram, we have this mixed length from outdoor unit to the vertex indoor unit, and also we have the mixed height job between the indoor unit and the outdoor unit, and also between the indoor units. Also, you need to guarantee they are within the allowable indoor units height job, and all these three values should comply with this one, which is according to different outdoor unit capacity. This value just a little bit different, and also there is a pre-charge refrigerant length is here. Is this length? You need to charge additional refrigerant. Just follow this one for the additional path.
Oil check. For this one, it is to help the system to do the oil return, which is when the high job exceeds 10 meters, we need to make this structure at the gas pipe, which is to check the oil at this location, and then in oil return operation, we can flush the oil back to the outdoor unit. And the structure for this part, here is the recommendation just for your reference. Of course, you can just follow your local code to do this oil check.
That's all for this sharing. If you still have any other question, feel free to contact me on my email address. Meanwhile, you can also scan this QR code to access for this presentation sharing. Hasta la próxima. それではまた今度。